Have you ever wondered if owning fractional gold, smaller pieces of gold, is actually worth it, or if you're just paying more for less? Well, today I'm cutting through the confusion and getting straight to the point. Is fractional gold a smart way to help diversify your savings, or is it just fool's gold? All right, dad joke alert. Hey, let's get into it. So, what's fractional gold all about? Imagine going into a Walgreens and buying bite-sized chocolates instead of buying the whole bar. Fractional gold is kind of like that, gold pieces smaller than an ounce. Think of them as little siblings to gold coins and bars, and quite possibly just as annoying and as easy to lose as a real sibling. In all seriousness, one of the main benefits of fractional gold is affordability. It's cheaper than buying a full ounce, making it great for those who don't have a lot of money to spend. Another benefit is ease of trade. Smaller pieces are easier to trade. You can buy or sell fractional gold at most coin shops or online dealers without any hassle. And in some states, you can even use small gold pieces for everyday transactions. Imagine paying for your coffee with a slice of gold. With the way inflation is getting, that might not be too far off. Would you pay for a coffee with a shaving of gold? Leave it in the comments. Hey, I want to hear from you. But wait, there's a catch to fractional gold. Just like those mini chocolates, fractional gold comes with a premium. I'll explain that more in a minute. Here's where things get interesting and a bit mathematical. The premium is the extra cost you pay above the gold spot price. Let's break it down with an example. If the spot price of gold is $2,400 per ounce and 1 ounce of gold costs $24.50, that extra $50 is your premium. Think of premiums like the service charge at your favorite fancy restaurant. You pay extra for the experience, or in this case, to give the broker a little extra pocket scratch for simply being the middleman. Or another way to look at it is to imagine premiums as the difference between buying a bulk pack of toilet paper and individual rolls. It costs more per roll, but it does fit better in your bathroom cabinet. So is fractional gold worth it? If you're looking to help diversify your portfolio, hedge against inflation, or simply add some sparkle to your financial strategy, fractional gold can be a solid choice. The key is to shop smart, compare premiums, and maybe even consult with a financial advisor. Buying gold is like planting a money tree. It might take time to grow, but one day you'll have a tree full of green apples, or in this case, shiny coins. Back in my day, we didn't have all these fancy gold options. We traded our chickens for a shiny pebble and called it a day. But hey, what if you want more modern options? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered with some slick alternatives. Another option to strongly consider if you're ready to buy gold and you're thinking about a more secure and long-term gold strategy, consider opening a gold IRA. A gold IRA offers the same benefits as owning physical gold, but with added tax advantages and security. Curious about how a gold IRA can be a potential hedge against the wild swings of the economy? Call Goldco today. We would love to chat with you. So there you have it, folks. The ins and outs of fractional gold, sprinkled with some dad jokes and some old man wisdom. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to watch a fascinating video about the most expensive gold coins in the world, check out this one right here. Hey, I'm MJ and we'll see you next time.